I finally made my course free. This course is not about visual effects, it's not about compositing and Unreal Engine, but it is related. It is related in the way that it is about freelancing, and we are all freelancing. Now it is called How to Price Your Freelance Work. There are two aspects of free, which I have to mention. The first aspect is that the videos of the course itself is completely free. Now you can go on YouTube, you can watch it from start to end, and you will get the knowledge from it. Before that, people had to purchase it, subscribe, create an account, and then pay, and then they get access. The second aspect of free is actually also important because the course itself is based around an Excel file, a template that I use, and I use it in these videos as well to explain the thought behind my calculations. You do not need this Excel file. It is optional. However, you can purchase it if you like. But this week, for this week only, from this video when it starts, it will be free. After this week, I will put it back on sale. And if you're late and you watch this video after 1 week, don't be discouraged because you still can get it, and I advise you to purchase it as early as possible because I will raise the price. And if you're super late, like if you stumble upon this video like after 3 months or something, half of the year, go to the course YouTube channel. It's a different channel. Subscribe, wait for me to announce a discount so you'll be able to purchase it for much cheaper. So videos are free forever. You can use it, follow along without Excel file. Excel file will be free for 1 week, and then it will be back on sale. The price go up and discounts will come. All links below. You can find the Excel file, the course itself, and you can buy me a coffee by tipping me, supporting me. And yeah, remember, you're worth more than you think, you just don't know it yet. And hopefully after this course you will.